Hello everyone. Agenda of today's video is introduction to Agile. Why do we need Agile? Agile Principles, Agile Manifesto, Agile Frameworks, and Scrum Agile. So let's start with the first topic. Today's first topic is introduction to Agile. So Agile is an iterative and incremental approach to project management and software development. It allows team to deliver small functional part of the product in short cycle. We call it as iterations or sprint. Instead of delivering everything at once, Agile enables flexibility, customer collaboration, and quick adaptation to change. Let's see the key characteristics of Agile. First characteristics is iterative development. Work is delivered in small and usable increment. Second is flexibility. Changes can be accommodated even late in the process. Third is customer collaboration. Frequent feedback ensure the product meets user needs. Fourth is self-organizing team. Team have autonomy and take responsibility for delivering value. And fifth one is continuous improvement. Team reflect and improve their processes regularly. So let's see the second topic is why do we need agile? So first point is faster delivery. Work is done in small steps in sprint. So product reach customer quicker. Second is flexibility. Team can easily change plan based on feedback or new priorities. Third is third is better quality. Frequent testing and review reduces mistakes. Fourth point is happier customer. Customers give feedback often so the final product meets their needs. Then fifth point is stronger teamwork. Daily check-ins and open communication improve collaboration. Then sixth point is lower risk. Problems are found early, so big failures are avoided. Then last point is continuous improvement. Teams learn from each sprint and keep improving. So Agile makes work faster, smoother and more effective. So that's why we have to use Agile for our project. Next, we will see the Agile principles. So in the Agile principle, we have total 12 principles. Let's see all the 12 principles one by one. First is customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Then second is welcome changing requirements even late in development. Third is deliver working software frequently, weeks rather than months, because agile duration is 1 to 4 weeks. Fourth point is collaboration between business and developer throughout the project. So that's improve the product quality. Fifth is motivated individual should be given the environment and support they need. Sixth point is face-to-face communication is most effective method of conveying information. Seventh point is working software is the primary measure of process. Eighth point is sustainable development. Teams should maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Then ninth point is continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. Tenth point is simplicity, maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. Self-organizing team produce the best architecture, requirements and design. So last agile principle is regular reflection on how to become more effective and adjust accordingly. So these are the all agile principle which makes agile process smoother and faster. So let's see the few Agile Manifesto as well. So first, Agile Manifesto is individual and interaction or process and tools. Working second Agile Manifesto is working software or compressive documentation. Third is customer collaboration or contract and negotiation. And fourth one is responding to change or following a plan. So these are the Agile Manifesto is a set of four core values that defines the Agile mindset. It was introduced in 2001 by a group of software developers to improve the traditional way of working. So this all information is about the Agile Manifesto. So let's see the next topic. Next topic is Agile frameworks. For this Agile framework also we call it as Agile types. So there are lots of types of the Agile frameworks. We will see the few of them. First is Scrum. Sprint duration of Scrum is varies from 2 to 4 weeks, fixed length duration. So it depends. Few organizations are following one, few are following two, few are following three, few are following 4 weeks. Next is Kanban. Kanban iteration duration is not decided. Continuous flow, no set duration. Then third is extreme programming. In short, we are calling it as XP. Its duration is 1 to 2 weeks. So few companies will decide to use 1 week, and few companies we can few companies also can decide 2 weeks of duration. So third is lean. For the lean also no set of duration, continuous delivery and improvement. This is following in lean agile. Then fifth one is feature driven development. In short, we are calling it as FDD. Duration of FDD is 2 weeks per feature. And last one is Crystal. Duration of Crystal Agile is 1 to 3 weeks iteration depending on the team and project. They will decide they want to use 1 week as a sprint or 2 week as a sprint or a 3 week as a sprint. So this is all about the Agile frameworks. So in the most of the companies, Scrum Agile is used. So we will see the Scrum Agile in detail. So you can see guys on the screen, there is one diagram is shown, and in this diagram all workflow of the Agile Scrum is defined. So first our product owner will gather the information and he will prepare the product backlog document. Once this product backlog document is ready, then next is sprint planning meeting will happen. In the sprint planning meeting, all the work is assigned to the developer and testers. So sprint goal is decided by taking the reference of sprint backlog document. And every day daily scrum meeting will happen. In this daily scrum meeting, developers and tester will give the update to the scrum master what exactly they are doing and which problems they are facing. Once the work is completed, then the sprint review meeting will be happen, and in sprint review meeting developers and tester will give the demo of work what they exactly did in the sprint. Once all the work is done, then sprint retrospective meeting will happen. So all these meetings we are going to see in the next video. So till that, please follow and subscribe my channel. So let's move to the next slide. So here we will see the Scrum Agile in more detail. So Scrum Agile commonly used in organization because it is more flexible as compared to other. We can deliver a product ranging from 1 week to 4 week, which is called as sprint, and it can be vary based on organization. Change request is accepted at any stage of development without any extra cost. In Agile, value-driven or plan-driven approach is used. Agile is used in service-based as well as product-based company. So in the diagram, we can see one sprint is equal to 1 week or 2 week or 3 week or 4 week. As per company and project needs, they will decide how much duration they want to keep for the one sprint. Consider if any company decided to take the 3 weeks as one sprint, so accordingly they will do the planning and they will deliver the software to the our stakeholder. So there is little difference between traditional and agile agile model. So there is naming convention difference. For the client and the customers in agile, we are calling it as stakeholder. For a business analyst, we are calling it as product owner. For project manager, we are calling it as scrum master. BRS, product backlog. SRS, sprint backlog. Functional requirements, user story. Development duration, sprint. Developers and tester, development team. So these are the some little differences in the agile. We are not calling the client or customer in agile. We are just saying stakeholder. So we have to follow this process in our all the testing process. So let's see the few roles and responsibilities of the roles stakeholder. So they are the topmost body in the company. They have all the requirements related to the project or product. They can ask for change request at any phase of development. Next is project or product owner. So product owner collects all information requirements from the stakeholder. Product owner create product backlog document based on requirements shared by the stakeholder. So third is product backlog. Product backlog consists of all the requirements in technical manner which can easily be understandable by the team. Also, we can say that these are high level requirements related to the project. Next is sprint backlog document. Project owner is responsible for creating sprint backlog document. Sprint backlog is detailed information about requirements of the project by which we can develop modules as per requirements. Sprint backlog consists of number of user stories. And next is user stories. User stories are get finalized in the estimation, that is sprint planning meeting. User story consists of detailed functional requirement for the modules and development. So these all the user stories will be assigned to the developers and tester. So accordingly developers and tester will work on the user stories. So let's see the few points here. First is product backlog. So by splitting the product backlog document, it's converted to the sprint backlog document. So we can say that number of sprint backlog document will be present inside the product backlog document. And after that, one sprint backlog document is converted into the multiple user stories. So we can say that multiple user stories will be present in one sprint backlog document, and that all the user stories will be assigned to the developers and tester. So accordingly, developers and tester will work on their assigned tasks. Next, we will see the advantages of agile and disadvantages of the agile. Let's see the advantages first. First, sprint wise delivery. As we are working on 1 to 4 week duration, let's consider the 3 week duration of sprint. Hence, the product model's release percentage is high as compared to other models, waterfall model or other models. So change requests accepted at any stage. Third is agile ceremonies, due to which we have continuous learning and planning. So we have multiple agile ceremonies. First is sprint planning meeting, sprint planning about the priority stuff of the sprint. Second is daily stand up, daily work updates we are giving in that meeting. Third ceremony is sprint review. Here we will show our work which we have completed in the sprint. Then fourth meeting is retrospective meeting. learning from sprint, what went well, what went wrong, and what is the action plan for the next sprint. So last meeting is grooming session or story elaboration. In this meeting, PO will be explaining all the user stories to the developers and tester which are shortlisted for the next sprint. So these are the advantages. Next is disadvantages of Agile. In Agile methodology, the documentation is less. Second is in few of project at the starting of development life cycle, it's difficult to estimate the actual efforts requirement. And third is difficult to provide KT for a new resource because here all the team members will be loaded with 3 weeks work. So that's why they will not get time to give the KT to the new resource. It is difficult to find the time and provide the KT. So this is all about the Agile. In this video, we learn about Agile, Scrum Agile and Agile Scrum process in detail. So in the next video, we are going to learn about Agile ceremonies. So all this information we will get in next video. Till that point, please follow and subscribe for my video. Thank you.